Lotus is a natural flower of India. Lotus is beautiful flower. Lotus is pink in color. Lotus is flowing water. Lotus is floating there. Thank you. My name is Agile. The banyan tree has a tree in India. The banyan tree is biggest tree. The banyan tree is useful tree in India. Strong roots, so many there. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Kovil. I'm studying first standard A1. My school name is tapestry school. I about Melur. Melur was the queen of Alagar. She was also called as Tamil Nadu. She was the first woman to venture with the East India Company. Thank you. My name is Kovil. First standard public school. I am here to speak about national tree. Banyan tree is our national tree. Botanical name of banyan tree is Melur. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Alagar. I'm studying to KGB section. My school name is tapestry school. Today we learn about tea coffee. Tea coffee is the national bird of India. Tea coffee is the very beautiful one. Peacock neck is long and so beautiful. Peacock eyes are small. Peacock sound is forest and the female. The peacock is froze in the wind. A peacock flies very high. Peacock dancing in the rain. I like this peacock. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Alagar. First standard A2. My topic is tea. Tea is very important to our life. These gives us restless to reach it. These gives us fruits and vegetables. These gives us food, pepper and medicine. These gives us oxygen. This is the use pollution. So this is not a tree. Thank you. Good morning to all. I am Kovil. Anak mana is national anthem. It is written by Bankim Chandra. It is sung by Kovil. Thank you.